AquaGuard.
Okay folks, here we are, just another day at the office. Well, not really. If you look behind me, we've got a very, very interesting job we're doing here today. We've got a beautiful home that is actually built on a slab foundation, and the dirt underneath it is being supported by this retaining wall. And what has happened over the years is that the soil has become compromised. So our job is to come in here and to stabilize this with our helical pier system. Now, that's going to be a real challenge because we have to get these piers on the back side of this retaining wall, but underneath the slab of the home. So one of the real challenges here that we're running into and ready to rise to the challenge is installing conventional repair methods with very unconventional construction. So what our plan here is to install our helical piers one at a time, starting on that end of the house, stabilizing that section of the slab, then move over and dig another hole. We'll end up having to remove some of this retaining wall so we can actually get behind it because it gets much tighter to the house. So once we remove a section of the wall, we will then install a second helical pier, support that slab, and then move over and continue right down this corner here. So we will install a total of 5 helical piers. So as you can see, this is not a job for the faint of heart or just anybody who claims they do foundation repair. When it comes to your home and what amounts to your biggest investment that you may make in your life, you want to have a company that you know is going to do it right the first time with a warranty you can count on. And that's the advantage you get when you're doing business with AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.